In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if your customer pays only part of an invoice now and plans to pay the rest later. Recording it correctly keeps your books accurate and makes it easy to see exactly what's still owed. Let's jump into QuickBooks Online and walk through this together step by step. First, from your main dashboard, look toward the top left of your screen for the plus sign that says New. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with different transaction types. Under the Customers column, select Receive Payment. This is the form you'll always use when a customer pays you, whether it's a full amount or just a portion of an invoice. On the Receive Payment screen, start by choosing who is paying you. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Received From. Click the drop-down and select the correct customer. Once you choose the customer, QuickBooks will automatically pull in any open invoices associated with them. Next, look for the section labeled Outstanding Transactions. This is where you'll see a list of all unpaid invoices for that customer. Find the specific invoice the customer is making a payment on and put a check mark in the box next to that invoice. This tells QuickBooks which invoice you're applying the money to. Now, in the payment column for that invoice, enter the amount the customer actually paid you, not the total invoice amount. This is what makes it a partial payment instead of closing the invoice in full. Take a second to double-check that number so it matches the payment you received, whether it's by check, card, or another method. After that, fill in the other details at the top of the form. Set the correct payment date so your reports stay accurate. Then choose the payment method from the drop-down, such as check, bank transfer, or credit card. If applicable, you can also add a reference number, like a check number, to help you track the payment later. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close at the bottom of the screen. QuickBooks will apply that amount to the invoice and automatically update the invoice status to partial. That way you can clearly see that some of the invoice has been paid and there is still a remaining balance. And that's all you need to do to enter a partial payment in QuickBooks Online.